Let's learn 1 ton of refrigeration means. First we take two enclosed room and one contains 1 ton of ice and another 1 ton of AC. The cooling effect of these two rooms will be equal. 1 ton of refrigeration, in short 1 TR. Now go through definition. 1 TR is the amount of heat that is needed to be extracted from 1 ton of water at 0 degrees Celsius to convert to ice at 0 degrees Celsius in 24 hours. We have 1 TR equals to 3.51744 kilowatt. From 0 degrees Celsius water to 0 degrees Celsius ice, only latent heat is involved. We know Q equals to M into L, where M equals to mass of water. Here the mass of water equals to 1 ton. In British unit, 1 ton equals to 2000 pounds, and in MKS 907.185 kg. And L stands for latent heat of water, and its value is 335 kilojoule per kg. Q becomes this. In 24 hours, time equals to 24 into 60 minutes into 60 seconds equals to 86,400 seconds. Now let's calculate the power Q by T. From the above value, we can calculate the power in joule per second. Thus 1 TR equals to 3.51744 kilowatt. In this way, we know the meaning of 1 ton of refrigeration, and also we prove the value of 1 ton of refrigeration. Thank you guys for your time.